Professor Ferdinand Alexander Porsche once said, "If we wanted something, we had to do it ourselves," and that is just what Porsche did. Many customers have asked, since when does Porsche sell watches? Actually, Porsche designed watches have been available worldwide for over 50 years and are responsible for many firsts in the watch industry. 1972, world's first all-black watch. 1980, world's first all-titanium watch. 2020, world's first custom-built watch. 2022, world's first titanium carbide watch. The Porsche Design Group established a subsidiary in Switzerland in July 2014 to continue its business in high-end watches. Since then, Porsche Design Timepieces AG is responsible for the development and manufacture of these exclusive Porsche Design timepieces. Designed in Austria, manufactured in Switzerland, true engineering artistry. A revolution in the watch industry. Using the specially developed watch configurator, you can create your own sports car for your wrist based on your own design preferences. From the case to the strap, and even a personal engraving, there are up to 6 million possible combinations to choose from. Gulf Blue, Ruby Star, and Mint Brune are just 3 of the colorful Porsche paints from the 90s that are making a comeback. With the new paint to sample option, not only is Porsche exclusive manufacturing expanding the vehicle configurations with even more historic colors, the Porsche designed custom-built timepieces configurator is also adding to its color palette. The 115 additional colored rings on the dial result in endless possible combinations. So you can configure your own personal sports car for your wrist, another first in the watch industry. Each custom-built chronograph is powered by the COSC-certified Porsche designed chronograph caliber WERK 01-100. The chronotimer forms the basis for your design. The high-quality case is extremely light, hypoallergenic, and highly resistant thanks to its use of the high-tech material titanium. The surface is finished in glass bead blasted titanium or classic black, just like the bezel, which can additionally be configured in tachymeter or minute track variants. The dial is visually and functionally derived from the tachometer of the Porsche 911, and as customary for Porsche design, is reduced to the essential: white numerals and indices on a matte black background, optimally readable through 7-fold anti-reflective sapphire crystal. The titanium strap is available in a choice of black carbide coated or natural titanium, or alternatively in soft leather with numerous color combinations matching the color scheme of the 911 interior. Add the finishing touches to the strap with contrasted colored stitching in various color options made from genuine Porsche yarn. Several versions are available for the design of the rotor, used to wind the mechanical chronograph caliber, which was specifically developed by Porsche Design and its COSC-certified, the characteristic PD Icon rotor in classic black or many other designs derived from the 911 wheel range. The hub cover is adorned with the Porsche crest, and the paint finish of the winding rotor can be chosen from the various options in the 911 color program. The titanium caseback and label of your custom-built chronograph can be personalized on request by high-precision engraving according to your specifications. A maximum of 12 characters provides ample space, perhaps for a name, license plate number, or the vehicle identification number of your sports car. Come in today and build your Porsche-designed custom timepiece.